This is the cutest thing I've ever seen.
Oh,
These
wow.
babies are playing with each other, and
Good.
they replaying with this little toy, and they re-laughing and having a great time. I mean, look at this
Nice.
one. He's like, haha, I got you. And then he just looks at the camera like, what? And then he goes, aha, it's so cute. And then this one, look at him, he's just laying there like he's meditating. And then he looks at the toy and he goes, huh. And then he starts to laugh. It's like, oh,
wow.
you got me. And then they start doing this little dance. Look at that. That is so cute. And then they take a little break from dancing and they just stare at each other for a little bit. And then, hey, what's going on? And then they go back to playing with their little toy. It's like, I can't believe this is real life. This is so cute.